Hello, everybody. I would like to take a moment here to invite you to a special meeting that we're having with our Home Business Academy. And this is a chance for you to meet our heart centered community risk free. Come join us this Saturday to find out what we are all about at the Home Business Academy, the products that we have to offer, and how you can be earning 80% recurring commissions by becoming a part of our heart-based community. We have training, we have people here who actually care about your success. So come meet us risk-free this Saturday. The link is down below in the description. Click on it, find out all the details, and if you can't make it live, you can always catch the latest recording of this meeting. So have a great day, and we hope to see you there. Bye-bye.